All right, are you Claudia Villalobos? And will your client waive the formal reading of the motion?
She will.
Ms. Villalobos, in cause number 22-39754. My computer's going slow.
Oh.
I have a motion to revoke your unadjudicated probation. Shows that you were placed on probation September 12th of 2022 for the state jail felony offense of possession of a controlled substance, and that was a 5-year deferred probation. Is that correct? It alleges that you violated your probation. Count 1 alleges that you failed to report to the probation office as ordered July 10th, July 17th, and August 6th of 2025. And is that true or not true? Count 2 alleges that you provided a urine sample June 26th of 2025 that tested positive for methamphetamine. Is that true or not true?
It wasn't a urine sample, it was a patch, drug patch.
Okay, but so you tested positive around that same time, June 26th?
It was just.
On the drug patch?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so with that changed,
No objection.
that's true? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
And then count 3 alleges that you admitted to using methamphetamine July 24th of 2025. Is that true or not true? I'm sorry,
Yes, ma'am.
true or not true?
True.
Thank you. Count 4 alleges that you failed to provide verification of performing the community service hours as ordered. Is that true or not true? And then count 5 alleges that you're behind in your court-assessed fees. Is that true or not true?
It's true.
And count 6 alleges that you did not abide by the drug patch guidelines. Is that true or not true? Did you enter your pleas of true to counts 1 through 6 freely and voluntarily? And because they're all true. I have here on the tablet some documents that have your signature on them that the state has marked as exhibit number 1. Before you signed these, did you go over them with Ms. Holmes?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you fully understand them?
Yes, ma'am.
And do you understand, if I follow the agreement that you've made with the district attorney, that you'll be waiving or giving up any right to appeal?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you also understand, if you're not a U.S. citizen, that a plea of guilty or no contest may result in your deportation, exclusion from admission to the country, or denial of naturalization under federal law? I've already probably done all that. All right, state tenders number 1.
No objection.
It's admitted. Any evidence that Ms. Villalobos is not
No,
competent?
Your Honor.
All right, ma'am, I'm going to find that you entered your pleas of true to counts 1 through 6 freely and voluntarily. Find those counts true. Find sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and at this time, find you guilty of possession of a controlled substance. Sentence you in accordance with your agreement to a term of 11 months in the state jail prison. You will receive credit on that sentence for any time that you've been in custody that the law gives you the right to receive. I have handed you the trial court certification that shows this was an agreement that I followed, and so you've waived your right to appeal. I also handed you a written admonishment regarding your ineligibility to possess a firearm or ammunition. Because of the judgment entered against you, you're ineligible under Texas law to possess a firearm or ammunition. Possession of a firearm or ammunition could lead to charges against you. Firearm is a legal term, and you should read the written admonishment I provide you to see what devices qualify as a firearm. If you have questions about the laws that make you ineligible to possess a firearm or ammunition, or about how long that lasts, you can talk with Ms. Holmes. All right, good luck to you, ma'am. You can go back with the bailiff.
What do you want to do?
Unless there's some,
Because there's a state jail felony, but there's no cap or anything here, so it's just unagreed.
it's just, if it's unagreed, it's unagreed.
Even if the punishment's within the range of punishment, even if the sentence is within the range of punishment.
I mean, that's what we do on all of them. Unless there's something that is given in exchange, there's another case that's going to be filed, or, just anything else, then it could be considered some type of an agreement.
Yeah.
All right. Are you Vishal? And will your client waive the formal reading of the indictment?
He will, Judge.
Mr. Vishal, in cause number 25 DCCR 0507, you're charged with the state jail felony offense of criminally negligent homicide from December 31st of 2024. And how do you plead to that charge? Are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily? Speak up,
You
please.
gotta speak up real loud.
Yes,
And are you pleading guilty because you actually did what they've charged you with?
yes, sir.
I have here on the tablet some documents that have your signature on them that the state has marked as exhibit number 1. Before you signed these, did you go over them with Mr. Gertz? Speak up.
Yes, ma'am.
I need to hear you and she needs to hear you. Okay? So do you fully understand those documents that you signed?
Yes, ma'am.
And it's my understanding that you are leaving your punishment up to the court, up to me. I want to make sure you understand that you have an absolute right to have a jury come and determine two things. The first is to determine if you're guilty or not, and then you could leave your punishment up to that jury. If we go forward this way, you're waiving that right and you're leaving your punishment up to me. And is that what you want to do?
Yes.
State tenders number one.
We have no objection, Judge.
It's admitted. Is there any evidence that Mr. Vichel is not competent?
No, Judge.
Also, Mr. Vichel, do you understand that a plea of guilty or no contest, if you're not a U.S. citizen, may result in deportation, exclusion from admission to the country, or denial of naturalization under federal law? All right. Then I'm going to find that you entered your plea of guilty freely and voluntarily. Find that you're mentally competent and understand the nature and the consequences of your plea. Find sufficient evidence to find you guilty. However, I'm going to reset your case for sentencing so that the probation department can do a pre-sentence report. That'll give me more information about